Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to do about factorization by s. Next, we need to do another factorization in here. So I will put about 2x minus s because this one you got about s. Next, we do factorization by s. This one we can do another factorization by negative number 1. So we have s plus 2, s plus 2. We can do another factorization. Now, we can do about partial fractions. So I will put about capital A over s, capital B over s plus 2, and capital C over s minus 1. Later that we do common denominator. So about this one, we missing about s plus 2, s minus 1. So this one should multiply by s plus 2, s minus 1. About this one, it is missing about s and s minus 1. So this one multiply by s and s minus 1, similar for capital C. And this one, that is about this one. Now, we need to expand this one. And this one. And this one. So this one we got about s. Now we need to arrange based on the term of s. About s squared, we have a plus b plus c. About s, we have a multiplied by s, b multiplied by negative s, you got about negative b, and c multiplied by number 2, you got about 2c. About the number, we have negative 2a. And now we compare coefficients in here. About s squared, we have number 5. So a plus b plus c equals to number 5 in here. About this one, we have s, and that's about number 3. So a minus b plus 2c equals to number 3. And the last one, that's about negative number 2. And now we create the system of equations. So a plus b plus c equals to number 5. A minus b plus 2c equals to number 3. And negative 2a equals to negative number 2. And now we have the final answer. So a equals to number 1, b equals to number 2, c equals to number 2. And now we put the value code here. So a equals to number 1, b equals to number 2, c equals to number 2. And now we have the final answer. The integration of 1 over s, we have ln of the absolute value of s. The integration of this one, we have number 2, ln of the absolute value of s plus 2, and so on in here. and then we put about capital C. This is the end. Thank you for watching.